Hello guys, welcome to Day by Pega. In this video, we are going to see about REST integration in Pega. For it, first we need to have some basic knowledge about integration in Pega. Uh, Basically, the integration is in Pega is connectors and services. Let me show. uh, Under integration we are having connectors and services. uh, uh, if we need to provide some services from your application, we need to create a service and we need to connect that service from that Pega application or else somewhere from which is a SOAP or REST integration. We can get somewhere from that connector. Basically, if we need to connect some external database, we need to use uh, REST integration in Pega. Let me show you. If you are filling the country in any of the data, any of the form, it will automatically come in the drop down. How it will come? It is stored in the internal database or it is connected from the external database. In this video we are going to see about how to access the database, which is the external source, which can be a third party or HTML or JSON file. Like that we can access from external source. For it, we need to create the integration. Under integration, connectors, create REST integration. Let me give the integration as country int endpoint URL. For countries, I have the this REST country online Excel file. I will share it in the description and in chat box too. If you need, use it, or you can use any of the JSON file or XML file in the internet. Just you copy the URL in the endpoint URL tab and move next. You need to name the source. Let me name the source as same country int, and we need to add the response. By click the add the response and run. The code is 200, which is our response is successfully run and the outputs are here. We can submit it and give next. Click on the create. Yeah, it's showing the class integrator need to be in small range. So I change the connector name as CTRY INT. Now the REST integration is creating. The integration class is ctrint, and the data class is country int. We need to call this data class. Now it's successfully created. We close it and we do the demo. Let me create it as a demo stage. Correct information. I correct country info. Next, open the configure view. Add the field as country. Submit as it on the text single line. Don't forget to save here. After saying move to app explorer, and open the section country info. Open the country and change the property of the country into text input to autocomplete, which means if we type the IND, it will automatically autocomplete the IND into India. For it, we need to get the data from the uh, rest country, that source. For it, we are created the data page in our own Pega application. uh, for configuring it, I give the list I give the type of the list source as data page, and I give the data page name as c underscore country int. In this database we are having name, which means all the countries are stored in this particular field name. Save it and come to your case. Now save and run. If I need to choose the country as India, automatically it gives the drop down based on my one or two letters. If I need to choose the country Antarctica, we can choose any type of country we need. uh, Hope you understand the uh, basic knowledge on this integration, and basically integration works, uh, how these connectors are connected. If you have any doubts on the on this integration, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you for viewing. Thank you guys.